I've been Krogering. Stay tuned to see what I picked up. Hi friends, welcome to Karen's Style of Life. I stopped by Kroger on my way home from work today and picked up a few items. I only went in there to pick up a rotisserie chicken, but it seems like I came out with everything but the kitchen sink, but sometimes it's like that. I didn't pick up a lot of things, but I do want to show you guys what I did pick up. I did get that rotisserie chicken. I got the savory rotisserie chicken, and it is so good, you guys. It's so full of flavor and just really good. I always try to keep a rotisserie chicken on hand at all times. I know I was watching a video of Shanji's Home Decor and Lifestyle recently, and she said the same thing, that she keeps a rotisserie chicken on hand all the time. So they're always good to have. You never know when you're going to need it. I did pick up a large container of strawberries. We love these for smoothies, to make parfaits with, just to even snack on. And then I also picked up some Blackberries. They were on sale, and I want to say they were 2 for $3, but they may have been 2 for $5. I can't remember, but I did pick up 2 containers of Blackberries, and these are so good, and they look so good too. These are some big Blackberries. Look, y'all. Can't wait to dig into those. Nice snack. All right, so that is it on the, one more item that's perishable, because I got to get in the refrigerator really quick. I picked up a bottle of chocolate milk. Y'all, this is the best chocolate milk you will ever taste. It is so good. It's Homestead Creamery chocolate milk, no hormones in this milk, and it's made right here in the great state of VA. It's produced in Burnt Chimney, Virginia. Don't know where that is, but they do make some good chocolate milk. They also make butter, ice cream too, I think, but I love this chocolate milk. Matter of fact, I always have a cup of chocolate milk before I leave out of the house to go to work every morning. So I like the fact that it doesn't have any hormones in it. So really good. And I got to get that in the refrigerator. All right, so the next item, guys, I did go to the $5 and under section. Before I show you that, I did pick up some toothpaste, some Colgate toothpaste. Usually I don't pick up, toothpaste and stuff like that from the grocery store, but I was determined not to make any more stops today. I said, I'm going to Kroger. I'm not going to Dollar Tree. I'm not going to Dollar General. I'm getting everything that I need while I'm at Kroger. So that's why I got the toothpaste. Sometimes you don't want to keep making stops. It's just best to get it all while you're at one place. So that's what I did. Now on to the $5 and under section. I think I told you guys about that in a previous video, that Kroger has a little stand with items that are $5 and under. And so I did stop by there and pick up a couple of things. I did pick up more of these heart paper clips. And I showed you these in a previous video. I picked up 2 more packs. They're $1 each, and they contain 12 heart paper clips in there. So these are really cute for $1. I picked up the this cosmetic brush set, and there's 5 cosmetic brushes in this set, and it was $3, and there are various sizes in there. So I did pick those up, and they're just good to have on hand in case something you need it for, if your other brushes are not clean or something like that, you need to use them. This will be a backup for you. I try to clean my makeup brushes once a month, and I did do a video on that as well. That was an older video. I'll try to find that and link it for you, but I did do a video on how I clean my makeup brushes. Okay. I picked up a pack of these toe spacers. There's 4 in the pack for $1. So those are always good to have if you need to paint your toenails real quick. Those will come in handy. And then I picked up 2 of these inspiration cards. These were $1. And I hadn't seen these before, so I picked up 2. So I'm going to open this one up and show you what they look like inside. So this is the back of the cards, that pretty blue color. And so this one says, Your face is radiant. All right, let's see what else they got. Trust your heart. So there's different inspirational cards in here. There's a total of 30 cards to the box. And so these would be good to put in Happy Mail to a friend, just to give some encouragement, or if you're sending cards out to friends or whatever, you know, you could stick some of these in there. So these would be good to do for that. So picked up 2 of those. And I think that is all I picked up from the $5 and under section. Now on to the shoes and apparel. My Kroger has an apparel and shoe section towards the back of the store. So I was just browsing around back there, and they have up to 50% off on some of their clothing and shoes. And so I was back there browsing around, and I found a pair of leggings, you guys. These purple leggings are so soft and they're so pretty. I love that purple pattern in there. And they're, you know, stretchy. So I don't know how much spandex they have in there. But these were originally $32 and they were marked down to $18. So they were 40% off. So this is the back, and the brand is called Dip, D-I-P. And it says that they are wicking. So they must have that moisture material that absorbs your sweat or whatever. But I just fell in love with the color. So I love the print, the pattern on it. So I did pick up these leggings. They had other colors, but not in my size. Anyway. Oh boy. We don't want to talk about that COVID weight that you hear everybody talking about. So anyway, I found that was the only pair in my size, so I picked them up. All right, so the last item that I got was a pair of tennis shoes, and these are New Balance tennis shoes, you guys. They were $65 and they were marked down 50% off to $31.97. I can barely see that, but oops. That's what the pricing is on it. And they're New Balance. Let me show you what they look like. These are really nice tennis shoes, really nice sneakers. But this is what they look like. And they've got that silver, you know, the logo on the side, white trim down here. But what got me, guys, on these tennis shoes was the cushion on the inside, because I tried them on to make sure that they fit. And when I put my foot in these shoes, they just sunk down in there and they were so comfortable. I said, I gotta have these shoes. I mean, they were just hugging my feet. I just felt like I was walking on a cloud. I mean, they were just so soft on the inside. So they have what's called a comfort insert memory sole. That's what's inside here of that shoe. But when I tell you, my foot sunk down in these shoes, I wanted to walk out of the store with them on, but of course I didn't. But that's how comfortable these shoes are. But anyway, I did get those. Had no intentions of getting any shoes, but you know, like I said, they were on sale, and I thought the price was pretty good, $31.97. What do you guys think? I think that's not a bad price. So anyway, I picked up these tennis shoes. So that is my Kroger haul, you guys. A little bit of everything from produce to chicken to chocolate milk to shoes. So if you got a Kroger in your area, run on down there and see what you can find. I hope you can find some good deals. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and join the Karen Style of Life family. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Hit it 2 times. So that way you will know whenever I do upload a new video, you'll be one of the first to know. If you're a returning friend, thank you so much. Welcome back. And thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. I love you guys so much for all of your love and support. I will see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe and take care of yourselves and your family. And I will see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.